welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rombai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 2 killed in tragic collision on NH06 Ribhoi. CM highlights hidden gem in the heart of Shillong. HYC shuts down bank operating on Shat Sukmansim holiday. And FKJGP Achik community urge swift resolution of Assam-Meghalaya border issue. And now the news in detail. In a tragic road accident on NH06 at Umlinkadaj Ribhoi district, 2 individuals lost their lives when their Maruti Alto 800 number ML05 R8598 collided with the rear of an unidentified truck around 12 am on 7th April. The deceased have been identified as Robi Paswan of Shillong and Prakash of Bangalore. The truck fled the scene immediately after the crash. The impact severely damaged the car, killing both occupants on the spot. Authorities completed legal formalities and shifted the bodies to Civil Hospital Nongpo for post-mortem. The vehicle has been taken into custody at Nongpo Police Station for further investigation. A case has been registered and investigation is underway. Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla revealed a lesser-known yet historically rich tourist spot in the heart of Shillong during his visit to the Rhododendron Riot Trek in Upper Shillong. He stated that the area once used by the British as a shelter during the Great War is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna, including over 40 species of birds and animals. Surrounded by scenic beauty, the area also features diverse trees and blooming flowers. The CM urged the public and tourists to explore and appreciate this hidden gem, emphasizing its potential as a major attraction for both locals and foreigners. The visit aims to boost eco-tourism and awareness about the Meghalaya's natural heritage.
And we are here with a full team just going through this entire historic trek. As you know, that this has been a route which has been used even by the British in the earlier times, and it's in a way a very not only just a beautiful trek, but it's a very historic trek. On the way you would actually see bunkers that were used during the World War, which are still visible and can be seen very clearly. We also have seen walls that have been created during the British time. These are retaining walls, very, very systematically done. And again, another historic location. And more importantly, if you see the entire flora and fauna out here and overall the kind of greenery that's there, it's really a beautiful area to trek, especially right in the, you can say, heart of the city. And it's a very important source, of course, of the water also, and the quality of air in Shillong. So therefore, it's a very important location, beautiful trek, and I must encourage all of you, the citizens of the state as well as the tourists, to please come and experience this particular trek. You will really, really enjoy it. It's very beautiful and a great experience.
On April 7th, members of the Nyautreb Youth Council HYC shut down the Meghalaya Rural Bank at Patharkhma after learning it was operating on Shat Sukmansim, a significant cultural holiday. HYC President RC Thankyew, along with other members, visited the bank and requested employees to stop work in respect of the holiday observed by government offices and schools. The bank staff cooperated and ceased operations for the day. HYC emphasized the importance of honoring local traditions and called for uniform observance of cultural holidays across institutions.
Nalang jing kum ka sang nyo trabit council jong ka rin hoy sami hadin kay juyo jutip jumi nalang jong ka Meghalaya roll bang patakma kepada hune kila pli ya ka jingtrekam jogi madasi kabare ru arta de si shti kabare si shat suk musim kajiwan jogi ban khang ki bagim sha ban pli ki kalong halor jong rim ba ki hapan buromlem ya ka culture jong ki hapan buromlem khamta mi si ka bakarpang jong ka jai bri go jong namar tak daw lang jungi ginum sha baki ki bakin trekam bakin pli ya ka bang mata si bat gila khang om tang ya ka ni ka bang gidang waru ki office sarkar ni ki office private ba don apo jong gadong ri voice ni jungi ginum sha bakin pli bakum kada ka jimburom lem ya ka culture jong ki paradox ki parasnam ni jungi lawan dia ban kham yang di yang ru la kubur ni ta bat la pedang ya ka di ka jing ong na lang jungi kum ka seng tingi ki ti ba ki pai ba ki nim so e bat ni tre ki nya sha ban support tang mata si namar ba ka di si ba na lang jong ki pai ba jong ka bring trap ki shimta ha de ban sha su si.
Leaders of the FKJGP Rimulyang Circle and Aceh residents from Umthli village convened a meeting at the Umthli village hall to promote peace and stability in Langpi border area between Meghalaya and Assam. The gathering included local village leaders and addressed the ongoing suspension of border resolution efforts by both state governments. FKJGP President Serbilin Lingdo stressed that around 20 Garo villages, including Umthli, wish to remain within Meghalaya. He urged both governments to resolve the border issue promptly, citing rising tensions and occasional attacks in the region. The leaders emphasized the need for proactive steps to ensure the safety and well-being of the people living in the disputed areas.
Den bangila don kaji kedulang rengkat ki nong snong jong kana ka snong ane ha Umthli ngile kren sibun ki eki bat amat ka bangi ju pele jingmut ka bede bat ka mat bordar tingi sutu bana kaleng jong ki pajbat nong snong hane kumakila ju pen pau bakiru ki kwa bansa se Meghalaya ladaki neki ar sarkar ka Meghalaya ber Assam isim ya ka sinjam mat pej no putusan tina kaleng jungi ka sengru jing don jungi hane ka sni hangne kade halor kata kaju ka phang bangila yai dawa baki paranong sunong jungi hakane ka than khasi beri karo ini ban sa ini ban hap ham Meghalaya hakane ka jing ya pendekput ta kade ka mat ka bangi layok bane kren ka sni bat ka jing dawa ka jungi ka long ba ndesu banang penslam ya kane ka mat ya pendekput nomor kat banang penslam kinang bun kijing ki ban miro ka jing jung ki pajba na kapor sya kapor ka jing sya leben ka jing sya iben aki briu jong ka Assam khamtam ka jing sya penbor ban le iki jong ka Assam kala penong ki pajba jungi bakin shifting bakin ya kenduk jing ka kamat ka bangi kren bat ka kasur ka jungi kalong bade ban pendep no ikane kamat penbejput nang ba kan penong no yang iki pajba nong snong bangin sokin san akilian baro.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.